everyone, welcome back. Here's how to send money using the N26 mobile app in a few simple steps. First, open the N26 app, then log into your account. On the home screen, tap the Send Money or Transfer option. Next, choose an existing contract or add a new recipient by entering the IBAN or phone number. Then, type the amount you want to send. Optionally, add a reference or note for the recipient. Now, review the recipient details carefully. Tap Continue and approve the transfer using your PIN, Face ID or fingerprint. The money will be sent instantly or within the standard processing time. You'll see a confirmation on your screen. Always double check the recipient details before sending money to avoid errors. That's how to transfer money using the N26 mobile app. Like and subscribe for more quick and easy banking guides.